most commonly missed part on a car: door jambs. So, given how late it is, I'm not dragging any pressure washers out, so I'm just going to use a quick detailer. Look at that. The one I'm using is Rain X Exterior. So we're just gonna do a little bit of spraying on it. Look at that. Gross. Long overdue. That's all there is to it. Just a quick wipe down. And you're good to go. Just make sure you get your door frame too. I mean your side of your door. I mean, yeah, it's spots that nobody's gonna see unless your doors are wide open all the time or they're getting into your car. But oh, gotta be careful here. You'll see it. And that's really what matters. It's because, you know, nothing like looking at how clean your car is inside and out, but then you open your door and you got a giant mess. So, better to clean it all off. Keep things looking good.